PMI-ACP Agile Certified Practitioner is one of the fastest growing certifications in the domain of project management, and organizations are embracing Agile to be competitive in the ever-changing market dynamics. Gaining the PMI-ACP certification increases your adaptability in Agile technology that will increase team productivity. This at-your-pace online PMI-ACP exam preparation course is designed to help you journey towards attaining this globally renowned certificate and beyond. What's going on? This is Markie Williams, and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial, and all the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up, and also comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can also send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. Through this course, you will learn all about PMI-ACP exam, which includes latest exam content, eligibility criteria, application process and fees, structures, and other relevant knowledge required to appear and pass the exam. Topics to be covered: about PMI and ACP, ACP exam and eligibility, PMI ACP application process overview, the 7 domains and their overview, tools and techniques, knowledge and skills. So let's go over some of the modules and what it contains. You will learn the required knowledge of Agile Principles, manifestos, and its fundamental values, and different methodologies to practice Agile thinking, such as Agile leadership, framework, and processes. In this module, you will learn the tools and techniques of maximizing business values through prioritization, incremental delivery, adjusting risk, and frequent testing and feedback. You will also learn the various low-tech, high-touch tools used in Agile Projects. You will also learn the concept of Agile contracting and various types of contracts prevalent for Agile projects. Following is a list of some of the topics to be covered in this module: EVM for Agile Projects, Little's Law, factor risk reduction efforts into product backlog, frequent verification and validation, Agile contracting and tools, and much more. The world won't go around without issues and problems on job sites, and here in this chapter you will learn the concept of cost of change, escape defects, technical debt, cycle time and lead time, risk-adjusted backlog, and risk burn-down graphs, through the Agile practice to identify, resolve, and prevent issues and threats early in the project and throughout the project. This chapter will cover problems and their impact on projects, create open and safe environment, problem detection, problem solving, risk management life cycle, tools and techniques. Towards the end of this course, you will learn and understand how the Agile team focuses on continuous improvement on the product processes. You will also learn the PMI Code of ethics and professional conduct expected from you as an Agile practitioner. The rundown on some of the topics it will teach will be continuous improvement with the product, process, and people, value stream mapping, PMI Code ethics and professional conduct, retrospective. This is a specially designed module will help you understand the PMI-ACP exam question patterns and the tips to address them. The course will also guide you through with a study plan, which you may follow to pass your exam. It would also contain a list of materials and online links, which you may refer for further reading to enhance your knowledge and skills. The topics following is the list of topics to be covered in the module: exam question patterns, study plans, exam tips, and related readings. Keep in mind, after getting the PMI-ACP certification, you also have the option to further your knowledge by getting a CSM or a CSPO certification. Many thanks for taking some time to check out my tutorial. All the links will be down in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back to you. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and they will also have a page online certification course, which you can also like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails that has certification courses as well you may have an interest in. I hope to see you on the next tutorial. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.